What is liberalism? Liberalism was a mixture of two words, liberal and ism. Liberal word derived from the Latin word liber, which means class of free man, and ism denotes ideology. Liberal implies openness or open-mindedness. It is also associated with idea of freedom and choice. Liberalism is a political ideology that focuses on freedom, individual rights, and equality. It believes that people should have the liberty to think, speak, and live their lives without unnecessary interference from the government. Definition of liberalism. According to Aristotle, of all the varieties of virtue, liberality is the most beloved. Aristotle considered liberality a virtue that people admire and appreciate because it benefits others directly. A liberal person gives willingly and in the right way without being wasteful or stingy. According to Herbert Hoover, the spirit of liberalism is to create free man. It is not a regimentation of man. That means the essence of liberalism is individual freedom. Liberalism aims to develop people who can think and act independently rather than being controlled or directed excessively by the state. He argued that true liberalism promotes liberty, initiative, and personal responsibility, not strict government control over people's lives. Key features of liberalism. Individual freedom. Liberalism believes every person should have the freedom to express ideas, choose religion, and make personal decisions. Equality before law. All citizens should be treated equally under the law, regardless of their society or economic status. Limited government. The power of the government should be limited by laws and the constitution so that it does not misuse power. Rule of law. Law should apply to everyone equally, including leaders and government officers. Protection of rights. Liberalism support democratic government where leaders are chosen by the people through elections. Classical liberalism. Classical liberalism developed in 17th and 18th centuries. It emphasized individual freedom, limited government, and free market economy. Main idea of classical liberalism. Individual liberty is the most important ideas of classical liberalism. Government should interfere as little as possible. People have natural rights such as right to life, liberty, and property. Free competition in the economy. It promotes laissez-faire theory. John Locke, Adam Smith, Jeremy Bentham. These are the important thinkers of classical liberalism. Role of state. The state should act as the night watchman for maintain laws and order, protect property, and the features of classical liberalism. Negative liberty. It believes that freedom means absence of external interference. A person is free when the state or others do not restrict his action. Private property, free trade, and limited government, these are also the features of classical liberalism. Modern liberalism. Modern liberalism developed in the 20th century. It accepts that the state should help people achieve real freedom and social welfare. Main ideas of modern liberalism. Freedom is meaningful only when basic needs are fulfilled. States should reduce inequality and poverty. Government should provide education, healthcare, employment opportunity, and social security. J.S. Mill, T.H. Green, L.T. Hobhouse, these are the important thinkers of modern liberalism. Rule of state. The state is a welfare state. Protect weaker section. Regulate the economy. Promote social justice. Features of modern liberalism. Positive liberty. It believes that freedom means the ability to develop one's personality and potential. Real freedom is what real freedom is possible only when people get education, health, and economic security. Welfare policies, state intervention in economic, social equality, these are also features of modern liberalism. Difference between classical and modern liberalism. Concept of freedom. In classical liberalism, freedom from interference. In modern liberalism, freedom to achieve one's potential. Role of the state. In classical liberalism, minimal state necessary for security and justice. In modern liberalism, active state for welfare and social reform. View of rights. In classical liberalism, natural rights are inherent and universal. In modern liberalism, rights are shaped by social context and equality. Economic policy. Free market, limited regulation, laissez-faire theory. It's in classical liberalism. In modern liberalism, regulate market, social safety nets, redistribution. Equality. In classical liberalism, equality before law. In modern liberalism, equality of outcomes and opportunities. In classical individual versus society. Individual rights is most important in classical liberalism. In modern liberalism, they emphasize on social responsibility. Diversity tolerates diversity of opportunity and lifestyle. In modern liberalism, promotes inclusion and cultural diversity. Property rights. In classical liberalism, strong protection of private property. In modern liberalism, property rights with social responsibility. Political thinkers John Locke, Adam Smith, and Thomas Paine. These are the thinkers of classical liberalism. John Rawls, J.S. Mill, T.H. Green. These are the thinkers of modern liberalism. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for more updates.